Hey guys, welcome to PureAudio. Let's be honest, I'm not sure whether taking this video worth your time or my time or not. I built this pair of PureAudioProject Duet15 open buffer loudspeaker recently, and I posted a couple of videos on this. Some of you asked for a real sound clip demo of how this pair of loudspeakers sound like in my system here. So I thought of setting this up and have a recording of how it sounds like in my system. But it's kind of difficult to tell whether my setup is set up correctly, whether my microphone is good enough to capture the details, the nuances, or the bass quality, or the clarity of this pair of loudspeaker, or whether going through YouTube channel and playing through the sound clip over the headphone or the computer loudspeaker, whether you can tell the differences or whether you can tell the sound quality or not. That is really unknown to me. But since you guys asked, and I thought setting this up isn't quite difficult since I'll have the equipment with me. I have quite a good quality Rode microphone. It's connected to my smartphone. And well, this video is for you. Let me introduce the system. J's Audio CD Transport 3 Mark III, a CD Pro 2 pure CD transport connected to the Dynaphrips Terminator Plus DAC over I2S. The output of the Terminator Plus DAC is connected to this Athena preamp from Dynaphrips, and the True Balance output is connected to this piece of huge Apollo power amp on the floor. You can't see it in the video. The output of the Apollo power amp is connected to this newly built, but I think sort of burnt-in Duet15 loudspeaker. Let me know your comments on the sound quality, whether you can tell the differences, whether the sound quality is good enough playing through the laptop loudspeaker on your laptop, or playing through the high quality headphone that you might have connected to this YouTube channel, YouTube sound clip. And let me know your comment, and I'll try to improve the next time. Or maybe I should invest in a better microphone in the future. Alright, you won't be seeing me in this video, and I'll see you next time. Enjoy the music.
Just the guitar, okay, cool. This was all you, none of it me. You put your hands on my body and told me. You told me you were ready for the big one, for the big jump. I'd be your last love, everlasting, you and me. That was what you told me. I'm giving you up, I'm forgiving it all. You set me free. Send my love to your new life. Treat her better. Gotta let go of all of our goals. We both know we ain't kids no more. Send my love to your new life. Treat her better. Gotta let go of all of our goals. We both know we ain't kids no more. I was too strong, you were trembling, you couldn't handle the hot heat rising. Baby, I'm still rising. I was running, you were walking, you couldn't keep up, you were falling down. There's only one way down. I'm giving you up, I'm forgiving it all. You set me free. Send my love to
Okay, that is it. Let me know your comment down below and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.